In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chess lessons on chess.com. If you're new to the site or just haven't explored its training tools, this quick walkthrough will get you to the right spot fast. By the end, you'll know exactly where the lessons and guides live, so you can start improving right away without any guesswork. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the chess.com website. Just type the web address into the bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. The homepage will load with the familiar green and black layout. You can follow along whether you're logged in or browsing as a guest, so there's nothing extra you need to set up to get to the Learning Hub. Next, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu that appears on almost every page of the site. It typically lists items like home, play, puzzles, and more. Think of this sidebar as your main navigation panel. It's the quickest way to jump to different parts of chess.com. If you don't see it right away, especially on a smaller laptop or tablet, try widening your window or tapping the menu icon to expand the sidebar. On mobile browsers, the same options might be tucked under a small icon near the top left. Now find the option labeled Learn and click it. That one click takes you straight to chess.com's dedicated area for lessons and educational content. This is the Structured Learning Hub, designed to guide you step by step. You'll find lessons organized by level and theme, covering fundamentals, tactics, openings, middle games, and end games. Many of these lessons are interactive, letting you practice ideas as you learn so concepts stick more easily. Inside the Learn section, you'll also see guides and articles that explain common questions, along with videos and drills that reinforce key skills. If you're a beginner, start with foundations like piece movement, basic checkmates, and tactical motifs. If you're more experienced, zero in on specific topics you want to strengthen, such as calculation, positional planning, or endgame technique. Some items may be part of premium plans, but there's plenty of free material to get you started. A helpful tip: go at a steady pace. Spend a few minutes on a lesson, then try a quick puzzle or a short game to apply what you've learned. Small, consistent sessions add up. Watch for progress indicators so you can pick up right where you left off, and consider bookmarking the Learn page for easy access next time. That's all you need. Go to chess.com, check the left-hand menu, and click Learn. From there,